Hello kids, today we will learn shapes. No, no, yes, it's rectangle and yellow color. Mm, mm. No, no, yes, it's triangle and red color. No, no, yes, it's star and pink color. Mm. No, no, yes, it's circle and yellow color. No, 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 yes, it's pentagon and blue color. No, 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 yes, it's plus additional sign and it's sky blue color. No, mm-hmm, no, yes, it's square and green color. Mm, no, no, yes, it's semicircle and green color. No, no, yes, it's hexagon and red color. No, no, yes, it's octagon and blue color. No, yes, it's heart shape and green color. And this is parallelogram and pink color. Which shapes is this, kids? It's triangle. This rectangle. This cross and square. This one is heart. This parallelogram. This oval. This one oval shapes and this one pie shapes. This semicircle, octagon, hexagon, rectangle, star. This one is circle. It's on yellow color. And this is pentagon. Thank you.